In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create schedule in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set, start, and end dates on your tasks so your work has a clear timeline and your team can see what's happening when. We'll keep it simple, practical, and easy to follow. First, head into ClickUp and choose your space. A space is your top-level container, usually set up for a team, department, or a major project. Picking the right space ensures you're working where your task actually lives, so your schedule appears in the correct place across views like List, Calendar, and Gantt. Take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace, and space this avoids the classic "where did that task go?" moment later. Next, go to the tasks in the list and open the one you want to schedule. The list view is great because it shows tasks in a clean, sortable table, making it easy to spot the item you need. Click directly on the task name to open its details. If your list is long, scanning by status or priority can help you lock onto the right task quickly. Once you're inside the task, you're exactly where you need to be to add a schedule. Now, click on Start to apply the start and ending date. This opens the date picker. Choose your start date first, the day you plan to begin working. Then select the ending date, which tells ClickUp when the task should be complete. If the work begins and ends on the same day, simply set both dates to that day. If time matters, add start and end times in the picker. If it doesn't, leave it as an all-day duration. You'll see the dates reflected immediately on the task and in your list. A few helpful tips as you set dates. Choose a start date that lines up with any prerequisites, so you're not scheduling work before inputs are ready. If the task spans multiple days, make sure the range truly covers the effort so your calendar and timeline views reflect reality. When you adjust dates, remember that downstream views update automatically, so your team gets the latest plan without extra steps. And if plans change, as they often do, just reopen the task, click Start again, and update the dates. It's quick, and it keeps your schedule trustworthy. That's it. Choose your space, open the task from your list, and click Start to add the start and ending date. With those 3 moves, you've created a clear, trackable schedule in ClickUp.